Hi students. I just signed into Schoology and I got a message at the bottom that says we have temporarily disabled the Google Drive Assignments app. Now you might be thinking, why does that matter to you? Well, that matters to you because the Virtual School Journal is a part of Google. So you're going to be typing in your school journal at least once or twice a week. And the purpose of this video is to show you how to get to your virtual school journal using Google Drive instead of Schoology, because you are not going to be able to get to it from Schoology. So what you'll need to do to get to your journal, so mine is different because I'm on a laptop, you have a Chromebook. You want to find your apps launcher, remember that's that circle, and you are looking for the app, that's the triangle, and it says Google Drive. So you want to find Google Drive and click on that. So this is what Google Drive looks like. Maybe you have folders, maybe you don't. At the top it says Search Drive. So you're going to click there and you are going to type Virtual School Journal. Now as you're typing, it might pop up for you to be able to click on it. Now, you're probably thinking, well, when I type Virtual School Journal, I don't see Luke's or Alexis's. That's right. You should only see your journal. I'm the teacher, so I get to see everybody's. But once you find it, then you double click on it, and you will have access. So from now on, we're going to be working on the Virtual School Journal going through Google Drive instead of using Schoology. And then once you're here, you add your slide and then type to the prompt according to what we are doing for the week. Okay, so this is how you get to your Virtual School Journal, because right now Schoology doesn't let us do it. So we have to use Drive.